12 points.
Yeah, should I do it one time?
6, 6, 8, 8, 1. Mom,
Jackie, come.
Mom, I got 12
Jump.
6, 6,
No.
8, 1.
Jump. Big jump. Jackie, jump. No, you gotta do big jump. Jump.
I got 6.
Jump. No, no breaks. Jump. He's tired, I think. Jump. Yeah, that's a good boy.
Mom, I got 6, 6, 8, 8, 1.
Nice.
So I got 12 points. And 6 plus 6 equals 12. Lie down. I said lie down. Lie down. Roll over. Good puppy. Good listen. Do you want to do another trick, Mom?
Why don't you try doing another jump? Now he understands the jump.
Come.
Jack, you're not supposed to eat those yet.
Mom, if that was a, if
Jump.
6 was a 9,
Jump.
if 6 was a 9, I'd only get
No, Jackie. Big jump.
Jump.
Big jump. No, big jump.
Jump. Jump. Jump.
You have to jump. Big jump. Come on, Jack. Whee! You're tired, hey? Is that too tough for your puppy?
I'll do this one.
Here, why don't we make it a little lower? We'll go like that. Here, Jack.
Jump.
Yeah, good boy. Give him the treat, Anna. Yeah, that was a big jump. That's a good puppy.
I got 12 points. If the 6 was a 9,